Picture this. You're working on your Mac, juggling multiple apps, and your machine starts to slow down. Sound a little too familiar, right? Well, that's where QuitAll steps in. QuitAll is a lightweight app designed to help you manage and quit applications efficiently, whether they're running in the foreground or the background. So let's dive into how this app works, its features, and why it could be your next favorite Mac app. What is QuitAll? QuitAll is a simple yet powerful app that lives right in your menu bar on Mac OS. The job? To make closing apps as easy and efficient as possible. If you've ever been frustrated by having to hunt down multiple open apps to close them one by one, you'll appreciate the convenience that QuitAll offers. With just a couple of clicks, you can clear your digital workspace and free up your Mac's resources. What makes QuitAll stand out is its focus on simplicity. The app is designed to do one thing: quit apps. And it does it exceptionally well. Unlike the built-in tools on Mac OS, which require you to go through multiple steps or use the activity monitor, QuitAll streamlines the process. Plus, it's notarized by Apple, so you know that it's safe and secure to use. So whether you're a student juggling assignments, a professional switching between tasks, or just someone who loves a tidy digital workspace, QuitAll is designed to fit seamlessly into your workflow. Key features of QuitAll: Quit, streamlining your workflow. Let's talk about the main reason you'd use QuitAll. It's fast. Imagine you've been working on a project all day and you have a dozen apps open: a web browser, design software, messaging tools, and who knows what else. Probably Spotify, let's be real. Instead of painstakingly closing each one, QuitAll lets you quit them all in one fell swoop. You just click on the QuitAll icon in your menu bar, select the apps that you want to close, and just like that, they're gone. It's like giving your Mac a quick cleanup. The best part is how customizable it is. If you don't want to quit every app, you can pick and choose which ones to close. This is especially handy if you're switching gears and you only need a specific set of apps open for your next task. It's all about saving time and reducing frustration, something that we can all appreciate. Force quit, handling these stubborn ones. We've all been there. An app freezes or refuses to quit, no matter how many times you click the red X. QuitAll makes dealing with these unresponsive apps a breeze. With the force quit feature, you can shut down even the most stubborn programs with a single click. What's great about this is how intuitive it feels. You don't have to dig through the menus or open the activity monitor of your Mac. Just hold down the Option key when using QuitAll and it toggles from a regular quit to a force quit. Whether it's a stuck browser tab or a misbehaving piece of software, you're back in control in seconds. Background app management, taking control of what you can't see. Did you know that your Mac might be running a bunch of background apps that you've kind of forgotten about? These are sneaky programs that don't show up in your dock, but still use valuable resources. QuitAll makes these background apps visible and gives you the option to close them. This feature is perfect for those moments when your Mac feels slower than usual. You can open QuitAll, see everything that's running, including background processes, and decide what to keep and what to shut down. It's like turning on a flashlight into a dark room. Suddenly, everything becomes clear and you're in charge again. Safe quit, no more lost work. One of the scariest parts of quitting apps is the fear of losing unsaved work. QuitAll eliminates that worry by prompting you to save your progress before closing any app. Whether you're in the middle of writing a document or editing a photo, QuitAll gives you the chance to secure your work before it's too late. This little feature might not sound like a big deal, but it's a lifesaver for anyone who's ever accidentally closed something important. I still remember a time when I lost hours and hours of work on a presentation because I accidentally hit Command Q instead of Command W. There was no warning, no prompt to save, just a sinking feeling when I realized what had happened. It's a mistake that's all too easy to make, especially when you're rushing or you're distracted. QuitAll's Safe Quit feature takes away that stress, giving you a gentle reminder to save your progress before closing any app. It's these small touches that can make a big difference during a busy day. Customization, making it yours. QuitAll isn't a one-size-fits-all tool or a one-size-quits-all tool. It's designed to adapt to your preferences and your workflow. For starters, you can customize keyboard shortcuts to make quitting apps even faster. I've created a keyboard shortcut, Control, Option, Command, Q, to quit all apps except the ones I have selected. Want QuitAll to launch automatically when you log in? That's an option too. And let's not forget about dark mode. If you're someone who likes your desktop to look sleek and cohesive, QuitAll's dark mode option ensures that it blends right in.
You can even toggle sound effects on or off depending on whether you find them helpful or distracting. It's all about giving you control over how the app works. Who is QuitAll for? For the multitaskers. If you're the kind of person who always has a dozen apps open, QuitAll is a lifesaver. It's especially useful for professionals who switch between tasks throughout the day. So whether you're editing videos, responding to emails, or running data analysis, you can quickly clear your workspace and start fresh. For older Macs, let's be honest, not everyone has the latest and greatest Mac with tons of RAM. If you're working on an older machine, QuitAll can make a noticeable difference in performance. By closing apps you're not using, you free up memory and give your Mac a little extra breathing room. It's a simple way to make your older device feel snappier. For the productivity enthusiasts, productivity isn't just about getting more done, it's about working smarter. QuitAll fits perfectly into a productivity-focused workflow. The ability to automate the closing of inactive apps is really great. You can set it up so that apps you haven't used in a while close automatically, keeping your workspace tidy without any extra effort. Pricing. When it comes to pricing, QuitAll keeps things refreshingly simple. You can purchase a lifetime license for just $10, making it an incredibly affordable solution for improving your Mac's performance. If you're hesitant, there's even an option to try it for free before committing. For those who prefer a broader suite of tools, QuitAll is also available through SetApp, which is a subscription platform that grants access to over 240 Mac and iPhone apps for a flat monthly fee starting at $9.99 per month. This makes it easy to bundle QuitAll with other powerful tools enhancing your productivity in one convenient package. And we've made tons of videos on other SetApp apps that we love, so go ahead and check those out on the channel. User feedback, what people are saying. QuitAll has earned high praises from its users, with a whopping 98% positive review rate. Here are some highlights. Vova, fast and convenient app. Bradley, the app does what it's supposed to do. Quickly and easily close all open apps. David, one trick pony that does that trick very well. Of course, no app is perfect. A few users have mentioned occasional issues like QuitAll not opening when needed or working intermittently. For example, Juan shared, doesn't really open whenever I need it, while Kathura said, only works intermittently. These comments suggest that while the app is reliable for most, there's room for improvement in its performance. Now, despite these minor criticisms, the overwhelming consensus is that QuitAll is a valuable tool that delivers on its promises. It's simple, efficient, and does exactly what it says out of the box. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how QuitAll works. So QuitAll, like I mentioned earlier, lives up in your menu bar. So I have it right up here, and if we go ahead and click on it, we can go ahead and see all the apps that are running and also how much power it's using. So here we have all the apps that are open. Now, if I wanted to select them all, I could click this box right here that first unchecks them all. And if I click it again, it should check them all. Let's say I just got done with a project. For some reason, I have iBooks open and I have Numbers open and I have Pages open, but I don't want those three open anymore. So let's go ahead and quit them all using QuitAll. So I'll go ahead and select Books, Numbers, Pages, and hit quit selected. Just like that, those three apps are quit. Now let's take a look at the app a little bit more in depth. So if I come up here and I click on QuitAll again, we can come down here and look at its settings, or I can view background apps. So right here, we can go ahead and see all the background apps that are going on right now, which is kind of a lot. So if you don't want to see that, I think the shortcut was Command B, and we go ahead and hide that. Now if we come in here, we can go to settings, and from here we can go ahead and customize the app. So here we want it to be on to start up at login. We want it to play cool sounds. Advanced, view background apps. I typically don't want that on because as you saw, there's a ton in there. It says group background instances, never quit music apps. So right, that's kind of nice. You know, if you're switching from one task to the next, but you want to keep your music playing, that's a great setting to have turned on there. We could deselect apps by default, disable quit tips, and all this other stuff. Here we have different shortcuts. I have, again, like I said, my QuitAll is Control Option Command Q. You can also create a shortcut to just activate that menu from the menu bar, or you can create a shortcut to force QuitAll. And that's really about it. Integration with SetApp, more than just QuitAll. So QuitAll is part of the SetApp platform, a subscription service that gives you access to over 240 apps for Mac and iPhone. This means that when you get QuitAll, you also gain access to a wide range of other productivity tools when you get signed up with SetApp. For example, you can pair QuitAll with apps like Clean My Mac for system maintenance or Bartender for menu bar organization, which is how I was able to just show the QuitAll menu bar up at the top there. So the beauty of SetApp is that it's constantly growing. New apps are added regularly, so you're always discovering new tools to enhance your workflow. I opened SetApp today and downloaded a brand new app. QuitAll fits seamlessly into this
ecosystem, making it an even more compelling choice for users who want a comprehensive suite of apps. So if you're someone who loves multitasking and often runs multiple apps in the background, this app could be the solution to help you stay organized, avoid unnecessary hassle, and prevent losing any of your hard work in the process. Its intuitive design and thoughtful features make it a must-have for anyone who spends a lot of time on their computer. Sure, it's not perfect. Some users have reported some minor glitches, and it might not be as essential for those with newer Macs. But for the vast majority of users, QuitAll offers a simple, effective solution to a common problem. So if you want to get started with QuitAll, you'll find links down in the description below. Whether you want to download the app on its own or explore as a part of SetApp, which I recommend, we've got you covered. These are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue creating free content like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparisons of different software tools to help you find the best solutions for your business and productivity. So be sure to subscribe. Other than that, thank you for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.